Hello everyone, once again my name is Shahroz Adil and I'm the instructor of English language. The topic that we are going to cover in our today's video is so and such. Look, they both are used to show extremes of something. However, they mean the same but their formations are a little bit different, right? So let's get started with so. So is usually followed by adjectives. For example, the music is loud. If I am saying the music is loud, that means it's bearable. I mean, that is not making problems for me, all right? But what if I just add here this, the music is so loud, means that is reaching on its extreme level, means I cannot bear it. All right, look, so can also be combined with adverbs. Here is one example already written for you. You are speaking so slowly. So this is an adverb being used with so to show extreme. Alright, so can also be combined with some quantifiers to show some amount of extreme, right? For example, I never knew you had so many friends. What if I say, I never knew you had many friends? Means I knew that you had some friends, but what if I say I never knew you had so many friends? So now the word so is showing its extreme, telling me about the big amount, right, of your friend, right? Here is such. Look, such and say both mean the same, but their formations are different. When I'm using so with adjective and here with such, adjective and noun. For example, right here I say your eyes are so beautiful. All right, so this is adjective with so. But when we are using such, make sure that you use noun after adjective. Here is one example. You have such. Beautiful is an adjective and noun eyes. Alright, so you have such beautiful eyes. So they both can mean the same, but make sure that you choose the right way. When using adjective plus noun, you have to use such. When using just only adjective, use so. We can also use such to show extreme. It is used usually for emphasizing someone and the qualities. It can also be combined with judgmental noun. Judgmental noun are when we are basically pointing out at someone, telling someone's quality. All right, here is one example. He is such an idiot, right? And one thing that you must remember about such when it's being used with judgmental noun is that it's always followed by exclamation mark. Here is what I've done, right? He is such an idiot. Here is another one. She is such a genius girl. Last one is about such. We can use such with noun when we are talking about the types of something. Alright, it could be this type of, that type of, these types of, or those types of. Here is one example for you. She never made such mistakes. Means she never made these type of mistakes. These type of mistakes. So guys, this was all for today. Hope you have enjoyed it and understood it all right way. Alright guys, so this was all for today. Hope you have enjoyed and liked. And if you want me to make more videos regarding English grammar and the things that trouble you understanding, right, feel free to leave a comment and we will be very happy to respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so very much for watching.